When you need a quick and reliable furnace repair service in Louisville, you can trust the experts at D&M Service Company Incorporated. The company provides fast and reliable emergency furnace repair and installation services 24/7 for residential and commercial clients. It can be hard for you to identify the exact issues with your gas or electric furnace, and the experts at D&M Service Company Incorporated are able to help. D&M Service Company Incorporated repairs and replaces furnaces, and can also provide regular servicing to ensure your system stays efficient. With years of experience, the team at D&M Service Company Incorporated have learned to spot the most common furnace repair problems. They have the skills and equipment to fix any heating system, and they service all major brands and models. The company is following all COVID-19 public safety guidelines and adjusting its business practices to ensure customer and employee well-being. Contact us at http://louisvillebuxton.com.